inches forward. If you find that this is easy, you can bring the heels back to the wall. I'm more like 4 inches forward. This is our single leg circle. Feet are hips distance apart. We have our plumb line. Lift tall through the crown of the head. Without shifting the weight, you're going to lift your right leg up. So push your left foot into the floor, float the right leg forward, hips are on the wall, and now we circle the right leg in the hip socket. Find the wall with your hips evenly, your rib cage, and your chest. Good, and then reverse the circle. Good, I'm keeping just a soft foot and an extended knee. I'm focusing on the pelvis, pulling the left side of the waist back. Good, last one, and float the leg down. Match the toes with the left foot, okay? Palms into the wall, engage your triceps, rib cage hugs in, and then stand really tall through this right hip, left leg extends forward. Good, and then I'm gonna circle the leg around while trying to not move anything in my spine, anything in my pelvis. Good, lift, lift, lift. Do not collapse through the vertebra. Okay, reverse the circles. Ooh, this side is definitely harder for me. Working hard, guys. Oh, I can feel I'm trying to grip with my fingertips. So if that's you, palms down, not finger gripping. Last 2, and 1. And then feet to the floor.